Lecture 19, Declarative Navigation with Navigator 2.0. Navigation, or how users switch between different screens, is an important concept to master. Good navigation keeps your app organized and helps users find their way around your app without getting frustrated. If you've used Navigator 1.0 in your projects, you've been noticed that it provides us with a simple set of APIs to navigate between screens. The most common ones includes Push, which adds a new route on the stack. Pop, which removes a route from the stack. Navigator 1.0, which is an imperative style for navigation, may seem natural and easy to use, but, in practice, it's hard to manage and scale. Moreover, Navigator 1.0 does not update the web URL path. Anytime you go to a new page, you only see the base URL, like so this. Additionally, the web browser's forward and backward buttons may not work as expected. Wouldn't it be great if there was a declarative API that solves these issues? That's why Navigator 2.0 was born. Flutter 1.22 introduced Navigator 2.0, a new declarative API that allows you to take full control of your navigation stack. It aims to feel more Flutter-like while solving the pain points of Navigator 1.0. Now let's set up Application State Manager. The first step is to define your app state, how it can change and which components it notifies when a change occurs. In the models directory, create a new file called app_state_manager.dart and let's create AppStateManager class. AppStateManager manages the app's navigation state. _initialize checks if the app is initialized. _isWallet lets you check if the user's browser has WebLN functionality. These are getter methods for each property. You cannot change these properties outside AppStateManager. This is important for the unidirectional flow architecture, where you don't change state directly but only via function calls or dispatched events. Now let's create the checkWebLN method. WebLN decode helps us to deserialize object result to JSON map. WebLN value.isEmpty indicates that the WebLN provider is not installed and the user can't use any of the Flutter WebLN methods. That's it for the checkWebLN method. Now let's create initializeApp method. Calling checkWebLN method before initializing the app. Sets a delayed timer for 2000 milliseconds before executing the closure. This sets how long the app screen will display after the user starts the app. Sets initialized to true. Notifies all listeners. Finally, open models.dart barrel file and export AppStateManager there. This way, we add the newly created AppStateManager to the barrel file. We now have a well-defined model of the app state and a mechanism that notifies listeners of state changes. This is great progress. Further, we'll use it in the app. Last, I would like to give you a homework. Check out Flutter Navigator 2.0 and Deep Links article, which is written by Kevin D. Moore on www.raywenderlich.com. Navigator 2.0 Dev Fest talk by Chunhing Tai. Navigator 2.0 design document. Declarative Navigation in Flutter talk by Simon Lightfoot. That's it for this lecture. Thank you.